highlighted the bullet points, so it'll help you out for the stitch pattern. Let's start by making chains. I chained 23 for this whole pattern. You can chain more than or less than 23, depending on how long you want it. Here's the chain 23 now for row 1. Now make 20 to single crochet all the way along. Start by leaving the first chain from the hook. Insert the hook into the second chain. Grab the yarn, pull it through, now having 2 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn over all 2 loops. This is the first single crochet. Now the second single crochet is done, then moving to the third single crochet. This is how the single crochet looks like. Now make single crochet all the way along until you have 20 to single crochet all together. Here's mine 20 to single crochet, which are perfectly done. Now starting the second row. For second row, chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now turn the work. Now yarn over and leave the first single crochet. These 3 chains counted as first double crochet. Then into the second single crochet, make second double crochet. Now as we have to double crochet, we start to make our first bead in between these 2 double crochet. Now yarn over. Insert the hook in between 2 double crochets. Grab the yarn, pull it through from the space, upwards. 1 puff is completed. Now for the second puff. Yarn over and again insert the hook into the space. Grab the yarn and pull it upwards. Now, second puff is completed. Do the same to make the last and third puff to complete our first bead. Make sure there's 7 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull the yarn until 2 loops remain on the hook. 1, 2. Now pull the yarn through both loops. So we made our first bead perfectly from both front and back side. Now leave the next stitch and into the second stitch from the hook. Make double crochet. Meanwhile, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe it and comment below so I can send my love to you. Now we're proceeding towards our second bead. Now again yarn over. Insert the hook in between the first bead and double crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop. The first puff of second bead is completed. Now complete the second and third puff to make second bead. Now all 3 puffs are completed. Yarn over and pull the yarn until 2 loops remain on the hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook to complete the second bead. Now make double crochet into the second stitch from the hook. Now repeat pattern as we've done before, making all 3 puffs. By grabbing the yarn in between the double crochet and the previous bead. Pull the yarn over loops, then again, from the remaining 2 loops on the hook to complete the third bead. Now we've completed our 3 beads. Repeat the same bead pattern till the end of the second row. I'm now at the end of the second row to finish, and this is how the beads looks like. Now to end the second row, leave the stitch and insert the hook to the very last stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now chain 1 and turn the work. Leave the first stitch. and into the second stitch. Make a single crochet, then again make another single crochet into the next stitch, and continue making the single crochet into each stitch. This is how the single crochet done. Now continue making single crochet till the end of the third row. Now I have completed the third row of single crochet, and you to just pull the beads in. Just a little bit so it'll look perfect. I've done total 8 rows, and this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching.